For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. Orlando Pirates at home. Orlando Stadium beating TS Galaxy. Evidence Machopa with his name on the scorecards or on the score sheets as well. It means Orlando Pirates are advancing to position number 3 as it stands in the log. And if you look at their games in hand as well, assuming that they win all of those games, they are at top of the log or at number 2 as well, if maybe they drop 1 or 2 points along the way. So Orlando Pirates in a very good position. However, of course, games in hand don't mean points on the bag. Bobzit, we saw the game, sir. What do you make of it?
Nkuleko uthi ngibulise man.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise i-team yonke la studio Nkuleko.
Sure.
Yeah, wonke umuntu ubuyele endaweni yakhe Nkuleko njengoba ngitshela. Kancane siyafika siyakhona.
You kept on saying that TS is Kokone. They are sitting on Islalo se Orlando Pirates. So everything is starting to make sense now.
Yeah, no, Nkuleko masibona the way Orlando Pirates idlala ngakhona uma ungabheka iqale kahle kakhulu Orlando Pirates i-game plan yabo be right. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi kube ne creativity, just that abazange ba convert ama chance i-Orlando Pirates, especially first half.
Yeah.
Ila i-Orlando Pirates bekumele rephele game uma ngayibheka the way iqale ngakhona because i-controlile i-game la khona sibona abadlali bafana nabomremi badlala kahle kakhulu uma ungabheka the way i-build up i-Orlando Pirates bengakhona bebanikeza mhlawumbe imidlalo ofana no Libitso ukuthi angene phakathi lo mdlalo ofana no Sibelebele uye obekathi angathola lawo ma chances. Sure. But the problem yakhe ku final third kunala khona aba selfish uSibelebele nginokusho ukuthi uSibelebele is good uma adlala right back so that he can operate lesser space, but uma ngabadlala as a winger kuba nzima for yena ukwenza ama decision uma ungabheka umdlalo ofana noSibelebele. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi Orlando Pirates Nkuleko bekumele repeat le game njengoba ngisho, but I like the way ucoach alethe umdlalo ofana noNduli noNemtatshela kule midfield. He allows uNduli ukuthi akabe adlala as a 6, no movement kuNduli nangu Nemtatshela siyambona yenza ama box entries. I think he did very well Nemtatshela ukujoina uRele kulesa space adlale nomdlalo ofana noLeremi noNgwanasesi, but you know Ngwanasesi always akahlala eboxini and kuba nzima for iOrlando Pirates sometimes ukuthi uma yenza lama cutback yenza lama box entries njengama winger kuba nzima bathole exactly kuba nzima that's why ukuthi bathole leyo finisher because uma khupha sometimes umthola semuva uNemtatshela uphambi kwakhe. So
let's talk about uMasindi uNemtatshela as you mentioning him.
Yeah.
The logical question will be he's put a question in the mind of the coach because there's Sipho Mbule there, there's Travis Scott Maswangani.
Yeah.
There's a lot of competition for places there. Do you think he's stamping his authority there because he was very impressive tonight?
Yeah, I think so because remember ukuthi ucoach Abdeslam ushayine uNemtatshela last season under loya coach kuMarumo Gallants. So he knows him very well ukuthi umuphi umdlalo kumele ngimdlalise because manje udlala as a 8 and if you can check uNemtatshela can play as a 10 uma umbheka because nakuMarumo Gallants bekadlala as a 10. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuzoba nzima kuleya position kule midfield Orlando Pirates, but the competition uma ikanje Nkuleko kuzonikeza i-team ama results because if omunye umuntu umdlala athola i-chance kumele ayisebenzise leyo chance so that
if you are in Abdeslam Wadu's shoes,
yeah,
do you pick him?
Yeah, I can pick him because
over Mbule, for example.
Yeah, because uma ungabheka uMbule uya struggle sometimes ukwenza ama box entries. Mina ngendlela ngibona khona newe creator kaMbule. I'm not saying uMbule akekho right, but the way ubheka umdlalo ofana noNemtatshela enza ngakhona wenza kakhulu Nkuleko because he assist uNduli in the middle of the park. Uyakwazi nokuthi going forward ayojoina nabo Rile ku number 10 and uyambona uRile wedlala ngakhona udlala njengomdlalo okhulile manje. He's matured akasenzi lento mhlamba abanye abantu bacabanga ukuthi beyangayenza kulela winger. Now uReally ama decision awenzayo abalula. Sometimes wenza umsebenzi ubelula uthatha ibhola kuphela phasa bheka le phasa aqeda ukuyinikeza uHoto njengoba ngisho ukuthi uHoto kulamalanga akasekho good ku final third even if overlap akakunikeze something uma ungabheka most of the time uHoto. So udinga yena uMremi kulela side because uMremi yambona ukuthi creativity unayo Nkuleko. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi Orlando Pirates yayideserve le win namhlanje.
And the speed as well. Muremi is helping him a lot because his speed is his greatest weapon. Let's look at your homeboys, TS Galaxy. They come all the way from Mpumalanga to the stadium of Orlando. It's a very difficult stadium to go to as a visiting club. They come there defensively. They make their jobs difficult. Was that a penalty, yes or no? And what did you think about the approach here, TS Galaxy?
Yeah, angithandi Nkululeko ukuyisho lo, but it was a penalty Nkululeko, because if ungabheka le contract ayenzile lapha uMbunjana kune obstruction phakathi, bekangayibholeni uMbunjana, and lesandla lasibeke khona angeke ngithi shoulder, usibheke ukuthi usibeke kuphi kunemtatshela. Ngiyacabanga nayo nemtatshela yenza ukuhlakanipha ukuthi angene phambi kwaka Mbunjana. So mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi for me it was a penalty layer. So uma ngathi ngiyabheka iTS Galaxy Nkululeko idlale kanzima today, beyidlala without a striker. Uma ngathi uyinakile beyidlala without a striker, ithethe imidlalo ofana noMvelasi yamenza as a false nine. Ngapha emva kwakhe iletha uMgaga lana isimbona anganikezanga iTS Galaxy nix. Bona umdlalo ofana noMayambela ngale ka right baletha uPuso ka left, amaHlambi I mean ngale ka right baletha uPuso ngapha ka left, but uMahlambi naye akazange asinikeze lento mhlawumbe ajwayele ukuyenza, because uma ngathi uyabheka
the team was defensive unfortunately.
Yeah, beba defensive kakhulu, because uMbonjane unomaduna la phakathi yila ngibone badlala kahle kakhona la majita, because benabo bebahlangane nabadlali mhlawumbe ngathi uyabheka ku Orlando Pirates abadlali kahle kakhulu ku middle of the park, but ngicabanga ukuthi they did very well man, bona boMbunjane in the middle of the park ukuthi bazame ukabsorba le pressure Orlando Pirates beyinayo. So uma ngathi uyabheka emuva Nkululeko ku TS Galaxy bangaba nale build up, but bafuna ukudlala iroute 1. Iroute 1 idlalela ubani, idlalela uMvelasi, umakha abantu abangaki lapho, you understand? So bekunzima for yena, even if uMvelasi angal receiver, but the second ball akazi uyena undulu utuzana nabadlali abafana noMbokazi no CM kulula for bona ukuthi job. That is why basebenzile emuva, but abasebenzanga kanzima, because benga na threat uma ngabheka iTS Galaxy ku Orlando Pirates. Just that mhlawumbe mangabe uPuso a receiver lapho la khatha in ilabe ngibona ngathi ifuna ukwenza kangcono, but angiboni ukuthi bengagcina inkorile the way idlale ngakhona iTS Galaxy Nkululeko, because going forward ngibone manje masebalethe umdlalo ofana noZindonga ngacabanga ukuthi at least, but
supplier with him.
Exactly, but supplier nambe ngicabanga bazoqala ngayo, but supplier isekho ngalendlela uyodlala kanjani uZindonga, because ilo muntu ebekadinga labadlali ukuthi bamsupply lapha eboxini.
Yeah, let's wrap it up. Do you think Wadu will be concerned about the number of chances that Pirates missed? Because yes, when you create opportunities, you're like, okay, cool. Eventually, we'll score a lot of these chances. Do you think the coach will be disappointed with the number of chances that they missed?
Obvious, uzoba disappointed Nkululeko ngani uyayidinga i-insurance game goal. So uma ngabe mhlawumbe uzodlala ngama 1-0 kulula ukuthi nge-additional time abantu bangalithola igoli obathole le penalty wena uyitholile. Ngiyacabanga uzoba worried kakhulu, because beka deserve ukuthi Orlando Pirates la bekumele ngabe ithole amagoli amaningi kakhulu. So yeah, Orlando Pirates they deserve a win. Congratulations to them and Coach Wadu to collect a maximum point ku TS Galaxy.
And you've been saying that singababona bako number 8, but where they belong is where they are now.
Yeah, no, sebasondele Nkululeko, basondele abanye behla abanye bayakhuphuka isikhathi sakhona manje.
There you go. Thank you very much, Bobsit. That was Orlando Pirates at the Honor Stadium. Yeah, I suppose you kind of understand, but I think if you compare Siwelele, which played against Pirates last week midweek, and you compare it with TS Galaxy, you would have imagined that TS Galaxy has a little bit more quality, that they would have asked Pirates more or much better questions. They decided to defend here, and you understand it, but you're like, if you asked Pirates more questions, maybe you could have got something, but it would have meant as well that they would have to open them up and themselves up at the back, and maybe the scoreline would have been more embarrassing. Who knows? It is Get Times, also spitting.
Shapunjan bafowethu ikamala Mulindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Diski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.